Hi guys, good afternoon to everyone. Now it's my lunch time. It's already 12:30 in the afternoon. And now my food is fried chicken with fries and burger. And this one, Raksha treat me. She bought food for me because Dasira, happy Dasira, all Indians. Thanks to God. Very nice. We order in Royal Dining. Very crispy, well done cook. Delicious, yummy. See? It's crispy. That's it guys. Happy Dasara.